Sell put options on Schwab. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to sell put options on Schwab. So let's get started. First go to schwab.com or open the Schwab mobile application. On the top menu, select trade and then you will see option or tap the trade icon in the application. Then enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to sell a put on. Then click Options Change option to view all available contracts. After the list of contracts appears, choose the expiration date you prefer. Then scroll down to Put Options section and here find the strike price where you would be comfortable buying the stock. Click the bid price for the put you want to sell. After that, select the following order settings. Number 1. Actual. For this, sell to open, quantity, number of contracts, order type, and time in force. Then carefully review the premium, strike price, and expiration date. Click Review Order, then place order to submit. Remember, if the stock stays above the strike price by expiration, you keep the premium. But if it falls below the strike price, you may be assigned and required to buy the stock at the strike price. And that's all. That's how you will be able to sell put options on Schwab.